That's right. Newsflash, they're all nice. That came right off. Easy move.
Double bubble on Rihanna.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Go, 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 go! Oh!
Yeah. Nice job.
Street work, baby.
Yep, that's right. Yep. Nice. That was great.
Come on, it's a baby.
Nice fish. Squirt. Squirt. Ready?
2, 3, go.
Yeah. I need to cut them in half. Nice. Sure, here comes Killer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's lift. Yeah. Good job, man. You gotta be quicker than that. Alright. Polowski, sideways. There's gotta be so many down there then. Wow, look at that. It's the one you were looking for. Woo! Hey, Dad.
As requested. Beautiful looking egg.
Sure, you want to hold them up? Yeah, this will be cool. Alright, here he comes. Nice. We'll take it.
This is what I like. Bloody depths.
Nice fish.
Nice. Bluefin up here, you gotta use a 130-pound test because you gotta assume it's gonna be a giant. You said go?
Thank you. I see light.
No, he sees the light. He's about to. Oh, both of them. I'm gonna gaff the bottom one. Ready? Okay, nice. Let's see here.
You got the other one?
Yeah,
I know. I already know you're not gonna.
just let it go up and down in the water surface.
Wow. Wow. This
Shit about Andrew. I knew that he had it in him.
Yeah, you guys are
Nice,
joking.
friend.
Polar. That's what I like to see is the whole stern on. Nice. Nice.
There's a blue.
No, those are the bubbles behind it.
Why are they fighting?
They're fighting on the way up.
Well nailed, sir.
You've nailed it properly. Here I come. Nice, that's always a good sign. Leave it down there for a second and get another. Yeah, you might get a redfish too, so I don't know. See, this guy likes redfish so much.
You want a giant redfish?
How about two redfish?
Same hook.
Look, they were in the process of mating and you got right in between the both of them.
We want that purple teaser.
Yeah.
I want it.
That bigger redfish should just be eating the smaller redfish.
It was a highly elaborate trap to get back at the humans.
It's amazing fish of that color in these waters. You think of like a tropical, right?
Yeah.
You know, a redfish up in the wind.
Yeah, it's like, why are they red?
Man, you should have gaffed a little one for practice.
I probably should have, dude. Sunrise.
That's my sunrise. Come on.
Greg's burning down the house. Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem. There's no way. How did you catch a fish in here? this ocean. Okay. A little bit higher up. Actually, we could probably handline him, because he's not the biggest. Okay. Thing is, I don't know if he's a keeper or not. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, it's a haddock? Nice. Fat haddock.
Hey, nice haddock.
It's a fattick.